Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Tether from Kraken to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Tether is a stablecoin that's great for quick transfers without wild price swings. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to keep your funds secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Kraken account with Tether in it and your Arculus wallet app installed on your device. If you haven't already, download the Arculus app and create or access your wallet. It's user-friendly and adds an extra layer of security with its cold storage features. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account on their website or app. Head over to the Wallets section and find your Tether USDT balance. Click on Withdraw next to it. Now, open your Arculus wallet app and go to the Receive section. Copy the wallet address for Tether. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on what Kraken uses for USDT. Step 2. Back on Kraken, paste that wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits, usually around $10 or so. You'll see a fee estimate, so factor that in. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm and approve the transaction with any two-factor authentication you have set up. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Arculus wallet for the incoming funds. If something goes wrong, like an incorrect address, contact Kraken support immediately. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer Tether from Kraken to Arculus in 2025. This method keeps your assets secure and helps you manage your crypto more effectively. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.